This is my Mark 85 Iron Man helmet. I made this on my Enders. The large part was made on the S1 plus faceplate, the gorgeous good old reliable Ender 3, and this top piece, this came off that bad boy there on the right hand side, the V1. That is the ugliest print I've ever made. First print off the S1 when I got it, but it's also going to be the best thing I've ever made. So we are going to start here with the Gemini Mark 39. I really like the look of this suit. I'm sure you'll have seen some pictures online. The idea is we're going to steal the stuff that we do like. Now, I like my helmet that I've already got, but this, I just like the aesthetic. In here, we can motorise these, we can add some Arduino in here and get these doing some fun stuff. I'm thinking pop-ups, extra missiles and stuff like that. I really like this, and when you're looking at the files, do3d.com gives you some good stuff, and this is free right now, so it's a great place to go and have a good look. Really nice. I mean, this is going to break down really good for printing. The bit that excites me the most is that. That creates a lot of options for storage, electronics, doing some really cool different stuff. So this is what we've got so far. Obviously, we've got the helmet, arc reactor. This bad boy lights up, but it will serve as a prototype for the suit. Now we know how to do it, how to get it all together. We know what we're looking for. Two gloves, basically the same. Mark 85. Really like this. Really nice fit. And again, not everything works out. These are absolutely solid, but I do like them. Look at the difference in quality of these prints. Different printers, different material. It took a long time, that one. And then look at that. What a finish in comparison. And again, that was just sat in place, but it's going to look really good. Really. Got a little LED behind here just now. I like it. It's coming on good. Really happy with it. Some eyes. We're going to get some stuff going. It's the magnets. We'll get this magnetised so when it's coming in, slipping in, it's going to light up. It's going to look really good. So whilst this is the basics stuff, there's some cool lights. These bad boys. And that's nice. We will be looking at doing some cool LED things in the gloves. Now you can't tell from here because I've not got it organised, but in here I've got a bunch of monitors and I've got some Arduino computers and stuff. So we'll have a look at that and we're going to start getting some electricals done. One of the things I'm looking forward to adding is I've got this little screen. Hook it up to an Arduino, and I think I'm going to put a camera in the suit. Not quite sure where. It's not going to be coming off the helmet. I think once I get the chest piece in, if I feed a little camera in, then it can scan. And I'll have this potentially on my left arm, and it can be a little screen. I think like a radar or something like that. Now it is touch screen, so we might be able to get one or two other cool stuff on there. We'll see how it goes though. And while we're waiting, you can have a quick sneak peek we're going for the jaw of this suit this time. So it's going to be this part, but this kind of material, so it's going to be see-through. It's going to be really nice. This must have been really old stuff that I had lying about, and you can see it's just not great. It was also the first print that came off the S1. I mean, this came off the Ender 3 and it's just lovely. Look at that. Again, it is going to take some time. Only another 32 hours to go. We've got some really cool stuff coming here. I'm really getting excited, so make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss out. And I'll give you a wee sneak peek of the arc reactor and some light stuff, and it's going to be so cool. Stick around.